Change your notification display mode on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now to change your notification display mode, what you have to do is simply go to the settings of your device and then scroll down to notifications and control center. As you tap on that, you'll be able to see how your lock screen will look, how your floating notification and badges will look. Now to change the display mode, you can see the control center style over here. Tap on that. As you tap on that, you will have two versions, old version and new version. So older version will be allowing you to pull down the status bar to view toggles and notifications like this, and the newer version will pull down the status bar on the left to view notifications. So the pull down status bar on the right will help to open the control center. You can choose any of the notification display mode. Here I have chosen the older version because it's more convenient for me. You can also choose a new version. So after tapping on this older version, you will be able to see your notification just by swiping down. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.